Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. The Source Within You. When you feel exhausted beyond reason, call the God or Goddess within you, for it has all the answers you are looking for, and it has all the healing and prosperity you're looking for. Your only part is to declare it. Take action steps to your dreams, receive it, and then claim it yours. Thank you so much, Danny G. That's amazing. I believe this. I believe if you follow your heart, follow the doors that open, that God opens for you, universe, whatever you want to call it, within you. Don't look outside of yourself. God is within you. He's a part of you. You're a part of Him. You're all one. So look within yourself. Believe in yourself. We can do anything, I believe. Anything we truly desire. You just got to let go of that ego. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.